you failed.
I ain't signed up for that shit.
Here she go out! Fuck it up, it's your birthday, bitch! Fuck it up, it's your birthday, bitch! It's my birthday! Fuck it up, bitch! It's my birthday! Hey, hey, hey! I'm from Michigan, stayed in the Bay. Now I'm in Tampa with my cousin Tay. All these little niggas, they gon' hate, but that's what. And I'm single, no babe. Okay, Keisha. What's up, y'all? It's Steph Danielle. I'm back with another video, and it's been a whole month. All right, the hiatuses, they have to chill. I already know. But let me tell you what I've been up to. I just celebrated my 21st plus tax birthday. So yeah, this is going to be a fun, funny, and kind of short vlog, but let me just show y'all what just occurred on my birthday. Just take a look here. All right, y'all, I've just arrived to the airport. Oh, let me turn this off, copyright. And I'm about to pick up my sister. There she go. There she go. She probably hungry and she got an attitude. Hey, and that's my sister. I ain't seen her in a couple months. Look, y'all. Look who it is. I haven't seen her since y'all birthday. Yeah. Dang, it's been a couple months. Yeah. Mama talking about it feel like forever, but it's only been a little bit of time.
It do feel like forever though.
Really? Look who is here. It's about to be a lit weekend. I left my camera in the car, but look, we got our first. She ain't even wait for me to cheer. She started sipping the doggone shots. Oh my God. Okay, come on. Cheers to my birthday weekend. Alright, y'all, we waiting on the food. We're at Pluckers. Pluckers. I can't.
Tell us about Shawty, it's your birthday. Happy birthday.
You should not take off the wrapper. That shit is over. Shut your ass. Set. You been recording it on time? Yeah! I'm like, I didn't know. It's a lot of anime that's gonna have to go. Cheers. Okay, there you go, man. Go ahead.
Happy 6th anniversary of turning 21.
Happy birthday to me. We about to hit the streets. Yeah, Miss Betty, let's go out. Fuck it up, it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up, it's your birthday, bitch. Hey, you got the best birthday for Yes.
Like banging in the game,
Who next? What's up? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey, hey, hey. I'm from Michigan, stayed in the Bay. Now I'm in Tampa with my cousin Tay. All these little niggas, they gon' hate, but that's what. And I'm single, no babe.
about to go party, have a good time.
I hope we make it on safe.
Yes.
Cause my cousin Tay. Tay 22 feet. Right now.
Another 3 meals.
Supposed to be the driver. You had one job, Sting, and you failed.
I ain't signed up for that shit.
Here you go. I'm still trying to understand who keeps the first window open at drive-thrus because it don't never be working.
I don't know why always ugly motherfuckers at the drive.
And then
Why you always put the ugly motherfuckers at the drive? Like, what? Now you want your food
Command,
or?
please.
all right, y'all, and I've been forgetting to vlog. My sister is still here.
Looking like the mother.
I can't. The mother. We're going to get us some seafood because that's my favorite. Y'all know my birthday is tomorrow. Last night I couldn't vlog too much because it was
Damn near willing to.
a night to remember, that's for sure. Are you having a good time so far?
I am. Realistic. Then worked out from laughing. Them stomach muscles.
Yeah, and it slept 8 hours and about the sleep demon on me, but you know, it's supposed to storm and the weather's not really that good, y'all. See, just controlling my door. Good morning, y'all. It is, they're so loud in the background, my birthday. And look at what my sister got me. My birthday. That is so loud. Oh my God. I'm getting ready to go to my cousin made reservations. I always wear all whites for my birthday every year. But I just have this shirt on, these pants. And wear my Balenciagas. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Continue straight for 13 minutes to exit 4.
You say you never be his wifey, as if you ever had the option. The way the city's everything got my name on it. Ring finger got his ring on it. Don't nothing till I sign it. No contact, no photos. Never seen him in the daylight. Do you know what the nigga would look like?
Okay, Keisha.
Y'all, we have arrived for my birthday. We are going to True's Kitchen. Shout out to my sister.
No twerking.
No twerking, y'all know this man didn't play that. But my cousins and them are already here. They made reservations, so it's a weird day, Monday, but the weather ain't bad. We're downtown. You can figure out where I'm at. I'll give you $100. Okay. See you guys. I just want either soul food or chicken and waffles.
I don't know if I want that or if I want fish. What do you recommend?
I usually recommend lamb chops and the
At the restaurant with the crew.
anything that you order.
Oh, it's 3 in the morning. Tuesday, the day after my birthday, and my sister is leaving, guys. Are you sad yet? Not yet. Probably once she get out the car, she's gonna be. I know. So we're about to hike it and come back. So yeah, she has to come back. But until next time, it's been real, y'all.
All month long.
I got 2 more weeks left.
We
So
going all the way to June 2nd.
I need a redo anyway. So.
Redo.
Alright, let's go. I was about to be like, take the balloons. We have arrived at the terminal to drop off my sister.
We are here.
And let me pull up a little bit so they can get by. That'd be alright. Go around. Just don't want to see. We're here, sister's leaving me.
I know, but I'll be back. I'll be back, definitely.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed yourself and get out and give you a hug and stuff. I'ma try not to be sad. Oh my god. All right, I hope you guys did enjoy that video. Again, couldn't do a lot of different things I wanted to do simply because of the weather, but also because of the timing, and even had a trip planned for this past Memorial Day weekend that I canceled because I was supposed to celebrate my birthday for the whole month, a weekend with my best friends and close friends. But yeah, just was real wore out and real tired, but I had an amazing time with my siblings and my cousins, and I missed you guys. Won't be any more long hiatuses. Do hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's going to be more hilarious videos like this with my family, but stay tuned. More reaction videos to come. Some different things I have planned for you guys, literally starting now. Until next time. Love you guys for watching.